Day 3 of the Steve Lawson trial wrapped up early in Bowling Green. He's one of 3 men charged in connection to the disappearance of Bardstown mother Crystal Rogers.
Madeline Goins explains why the trial stalled after the Commonwealth had rested its case.
The prosecution has rested their case in the 3rd day of the Steve Lawson trial, but not before tense moments were shared between the prosecution and the defense, leading a court bailiff to physically separate the two. The day began with Detective Mike Schaefer being called to the stand. He's now with the Kentucky Office of the Attorney General, but was formerly an FBI special agent. Schaefer interviewed Steve Lawson in 2020 at the Nelson County Sheriff's Office. Tensions were high in the courtroom at the mention of Brooks' brother, Nick Houck, and questions surrounding his alleged involvement. However, Nick has never been indicted in the case. Ultimately, the defense objected to a line of questioning, saying the prosecution was asking an investigator to speculate. Judge Sims made his ruling, motioning the attorneys away before a court bailiff stepped in to separate the parties. The prosecution called its final witness, Justin Hall, a Nelson County jailer. 2 phone calls from January 2024 between Lawson and his mother were played. Lawson's mother could be heard pleading that Lawson admit where Crystal Rogers' body is. He attested his involvement goes only as far as assisting Joseph move Rogers' vehicle. In disbelief of the news of Lawson's involvement, she said, quote, "You knew for 8 expletive years you could have saved the girl's life and you didn't even bother." After the Commonwealth rested its case, the defense presented a motion to acquit Lawson on the conspiracy to commit murder charge due to a lack of sufficient evidence. Judge Sims ultimately denied the motion. Defense attorney Darren Wolf said that his team would do their best. Their first witness, Carl Reich, a forensic DNA expert, appeared over Zoom. He was asked about the 2 hairs recovered from Rogers' vehicle that were never DNA tested. The Commonwealth argued that the 4 hairs were irrelevant because the length didn't match any of the 4 suspects, 4 including Nick Houck. Reich affirmed that he can't determine the hair's value to the case, but if they were important, they should have been tested earlier. The defense was expected to rest its case on Thursday evening, but further testimony was postponed. Attorneys said they received word that their next witnesses would not be able to testify until Friday. The trial will resume on Friday morning, and closing arguments are to follow. In Bowling Green, Madeline Goins, Fox 56 News.